By default, when you use the iPhone camera, it takes the picture as if you're looking at the person. But I'm going to use this as an example. I can go here and I can edit this image, and when I crop the image, I can invert the image. So I push this button here and it inverts it as if you're looking into a mirror. In order to disable that, all you need to do is open up your settings app like I have here, and then scroll down to where you see camera. So go into your camera's settings. And once here under camera settings, you want to scroll down to where you see the composition section, and then right where it says mirror front camera, you just want to disable that. So automatically that is enabled, and then you want to disable that to get the effect that you want. Again, take a couple of images, see which one you prefer, and then go in here and make sure you have that setting the way that you want. So again, if you have it enabled, it will mirror the front camera. But if you have it disabled, it will be as if you are looking at the person. So again, that's under composition, under camera settings, under mirror front camera. I will have a frequently asked question in the pinned comment down below if you're having issues, and we'll see you in the next video.